We're gonna start with the strawberries. Just gonna give them a quick rinse. So we're going to make a strawberry milkshake with chocolate. We're about to make chocolate strawberry milkshake with these fresh strawberries. We're just gonna remove the top here. We're just going to chop them up into smaller pieces and pop them in here. So we've got chopped strawberries ready to go. Next we're going to grab some ice cream. Ultra chocolate ice cream, that is. Next, we're going to add some thick chocolate dipping sauce. We like it to be extra chocolatey. And then now, we're going to add some strawberry sauce. That makes all the difference. Next, we're going to add the milk. There we go, and that's our usual go-to milk, but you can use the brand you like. Now we're just going to plug in the handheld blender, stick blender, sorry, and ready to go. Just gonna pour it into a glass. And then we're just going to add some whipped cream, absolutely optional. You can add some sprinkles or anything else that you like, maybe chocolate sauce. That's all based on personal preference. So thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe. See you guys next time.